Alright everybody, I am here with another double up of a cloth and paper unboxing, and that's just because life has been crazy, which seems to be a theme, but that's okay. So we have two to unbox, and so I'll get into the last month's first. Itty bitty box, and it's super heavy. So this will be an interesting one. And thank you. There was someone that reached out. I offered a grab bag. It was one of the cloth and paper. It was a cloth and paper tote filled with a bunch of goodies I wasn't going to use. So thank you. Thanks for tuning over on Instagram and for saying that you take it. So I always like things going to a happy home. All right, plant health. Well, I can throw that away because I can't keep plants alive. Alives? That's fine. I can't keep plants alive. But maybe I'll keep it. Or I'll give it to my mother-in-law since she likes plants. So it's like another with the stand-up thing. What I think I will do though is, like someone suggested, is like cut it and laminate it as a just a calendar card. Thrive, that I like. Don't just survive, but thrive. I feel like we've all been in the habit of just surviving lately. These are really nice. So they have a film on them, but they're crystal clear. I have a couple of them. My husband has bought me a couple of these, like letter size, because he's written, you go see that? He's written poems and stuff, and we put them in a little one like this, paper size, and it stays on our bookshelf. So I'll definitely keep this. I think I know how I want to use it. I actually had a cloth and paper calendar card about this size that I kept from 2020. We got married on New Year's Eve, December 2020. So I think I'll take that card because I put a little heart stamp on it around the date, and I think I'll put that in here. So I'll be able to use it. I'm not sure what else. I mean, a photo would be really cool. So it's kind of nice they gave it. It's also a little random because I know we want things for our planner, and lately there's been, I don't know if you agree, there's been less and less planner stuff. What is this? This is for plants? No. Send help. Clear reusable labels. But where do you put these? They're plastic. What? Spaces and style with your set of 10 clear labels. Y'all, confused. Plant markers, charcuterie picks, or desktop bin labels. Clever, but you can tell I'm opening it for the first time because I'm very confused about these. I don't know that I would use them, or what I would use them for. I feel like if you stuck them in like a bin that I have, they would just fall over. Cards. All right, let's see what kind of cards these are. My fingernails are useless. Let's see. All right. As usual, if there's stuff I wouldn't use that you think you would. Okay, could this be more impossible? Ouch. Let me know. Maybe I can chip up. Okay. poems and the meaning of them. Okay. Alright, that might be neat for like a one-time look through, and then decide if there's plants that kind of fit based on zinnia, endurance, strength, goodness, water lily, optimism, tulip. I could send that to a girlfriend of mine. She loves sunflowers. Put it in a little card for belated rose I'm fond of. Cool, so I'll go through those, but I don't, stuff like that, like what do you do with them? That's really pretty. What do you do with them after you go through them? Maybe you do. Let me know your thoughts. Oh, two. Rooted. Love that. It is in the roots, not the branches, that true strength lies. Yes. That's really beautiful. I have a fan of that dashboard. Again, these are personal wide sizes. Because I tried a bunch of different sizes and found that for this current situation or life season, personal wide is my thing. Plant logging. If you want this, let me know. I won't use this or the labels. So if that's something you'd be interested in, happy to ship it off for the shipping fee if you're a plant mom or plant dad. And this is probably to write on the clear sticks. So that's interesting. Okay, so that was last month's. And let's get into these. This one. No, that'll do it. Okay. Also, we've talked about this before, but like the canvas bags, they can't be cheap to throw in every single month. And I don't know about y'all, but I like get rid of them. And I really wish I didn't get rid of them. I know that's within my control, but I don't. I don't want to keep them and keep clutter around. All right, pens. Always a fan. A marker. So 3 pens. Good. I kind of do miss getting the pens in the collection, but I also realized a little extra money could go to other things, and I've been happy with that decision. Just every once in a while, it's like, man, that'd be kind of fun. Grit and grind. I like that. I do also like not glorifying the grind. You deserve luxury. I don't like the word deserve. Really don't like the word deserve. But I get it. Another calendar card that I could cut and laminate. All right, more stuff that's not for my planner, which is there. Seems to be a trend lately. I might reevaluate my subscription box if it continues to be less and less planner stuff and more life stuff. Like, I'll just buy planner stuff then instead of subscribing. So, this is neat. That's probably really annoying on camera. Hey, there's me. But a mirror. That's actually nice because that's cute, looking good. That's nice because I don't, I wear tinted sunscreen on my face. I really like that. I'm gonna keep that in my work bag. And my work bag is black leather, so that's perfect. What was I saying? I don't wear makeup, like compacts and stuff, so I don't ever have a mirror with me. I just use tinted sunscreen, so that'll be nice to have. Meeting notes, won't use it. I have other videos about my planner setup for work. It's so fast paced. There's so much going on. I can't slow down. I would probably go through this in a day, in a week. So, I'll throw that in with some of the plant stuff. I'm making a mess, ignore me. So some stuff that I won't be using. If you're a personal wide fan, I'll do another little grab bag and just let me know if you want some of these. clear folders. Okay. With the label stickers. I might even give you these away. I have a filing system, and this size is so tiny. I don't know what I would do. Like, for example, taxes. I have letter size paper, so I'd have to fold them in half to put in this, because this is not a letter size. It's a nice idea. I just, if I'm spending money on a planner subscription, I want things for my planner. So I'm a little bummed. I could use these labels on my other file. Plus, for me, having like see-through ones would just kind of irk me because then it would just look messy. And to my left on the wall, I have 2 rose gold kind of like pretty wire things that I put my other files in. So I don't know. I may or may not use it. I'll probably use these tabs on like in my planner instead. Yeah. So what else do we got? This is your work is going to fill a large part of your life. Do what you love. Don't settle. I like that. Like a moment to slow down and appreciate the good things. That's probably also really annoying because of how shiny it is. But that therein all is the unboxing for the last 2 months. So if you're interested in some of this stuff, please let me know, and I'll keep a few things, but a lot of grab bags for me is just easier to say it's going to be a bunch of stuff, and I won't list everything, but if you want some of it, just let me know. But other than that, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.